In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Suno AI song to YouTube. We'll start right at the source. Head over to sunoai.com, log into your account, or create one if you're brand new. Once you're in, you can create a new song, or if you've already made one, go ahead and download it. Make sure you save the file somewhere easy to find so you're not hunting for it later. If there's a video version available alongside the audio, grab that since YouTube works best with a video file. Now open YouTube in your browser. On the top right, click the Create button, the one with the plus sign, and choose Upload Video. This opens the upload window where you'll select your file. Click Select Files and choose the video file you plan to share. If you downloaded a video version of your track from Suno, that's the one to use. Once selected, YouTube will begin uploading and processing. You'll see a progress indicator, just let it run. Larger files can take a bit longer, so be patient while it completes. While it uploads, add your video details. Start with a clear, searchable title that tells viewers exactly what they're about to hear, like the song name and artist credit. Next, write a helpful description. This is where you can add a brief summary of the track, credits, and any context that gives listeners a reason to click play. Keep it concise and informative. Tags are optional, but if you use them, stick to relevant terms people might search for. Don't forget a thumbnail. This is important. Choose a clean, eye-catching image that represents your song at a glance. A compelling thumbnail can significantly improve clicks, so pick something high quality and easy to recognize and make sure it looks good at small sizes. When your details are set, choose the visibility that fits your goal. Public makes your video discoverable to everyone, great if you're ready for the widest audience. Unlisted keeps it hidden from search and your channel page but accessible to anyone with the link, perfect for sharing with select people. Private keeps it for your eyes only, useful if you're still reviewing or preparing a release. Once everything looks good and the upload has fully finished, click Publish. That's it, your song is live on YouTube. You've gone from Suno AI to a shareable YouTube release in just a few steps. Take a moment to preview your video on your channel, confirm the title, description, and thumbnail appear correctly, and you're all set.